Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some comfort food dal dumpling soup, and today's episode is being sponsored by All From One Supplier.
All From One Supplier is pleased to announce its online shipping for West Indian and American groceries. Order online at allfromonesupplier.com and with free shipping and deliveries to any part of the United States. Save time and energy to shop for all of your West Indian groceries from the safety of your home or office.
So to start this recipe, you're starting with your large pot over a medium heat, and you're going to add in your split peas or dal that's already been washed. In goes some chopped onions, minced garlic, a few bird peppers, a few pimento peppers, and turmeric powder. Now we're going to add enough water. So I like going in with about 8 cups of water for 1 cup of dal or split peas. Next, we're going to add in salt. And you can add salt to taste. Remember, you can always adjust salt at the end. Give that a mix and bring this up to a boil. You want to bring it up to a boil and cook the peas or the dal until it's soft and the grains start splitting. And once that happens, now we're going to go in with our immersion blender and blend it into a smooth consistency. You want to blend it as smooth as possible, and also you can go ahead now and break up the peppers into the dal. Next, once it's smooth, add in your grated carrots and allow that to cook. In the meantime, let's make the dumplings. So to make the dumplings, I have all-purpose flour, and to that I'm adding in some salt. That's all you need for the dumplings unless you wanted to add some green seasoning. And you're going to add your water and bring your dough together to form a very, very firm dough. You don't want your dough to be too soft. If it's too soft, you're going to have problems cutting your dumplings. So knead it into a bowl. It doesn't have to be smooth, just a rough knead. And once it has come together, go ahead and place it on your floured surface. Press it out to open it, and then we'll start rolling it out into about 1/4 inch thickness. I like to make them pretty thin. You can make them whatever size or shape you like. I prefer them square. I like making dal dumpling soup with square dumplings. It's how my grandmother used to make it for me when I was a kid, and I fell in love with it square, and that's the only way I would have it. So you guys can make it into that almond shaped spinners if you wanted to. And I like using my pizza cutter as it's really easy to cut. And once you cut them, all you have to do is go ahead and lift them up. And you see how they're keeping their shape? That's because the flour is nice and firm. That's why I told you don't need it too soft. So we're gonna drop this into the dal. And once into the dal, we're going to allow it to boil until they start floating to the top. That's when you'll know that your dumplings are finished. Now at this point, if your dal mixture is very thick, you would want to add some more water to help thin it out, because as this cools, it gets thicker.
Save time and energy to shop for all of your West Indian groceries from the safety of your home or office.
So once it's finished boiling and your dumplings are cooked, go ahead and set that aside. Let's prepare our oil to chunky the soup. So in a skillet or a frying pan, add in some vegetable oil. To that, I'm going to add in a few slices of garlic and a few grains of geera or cumin seeds. And we're going to allow this to cook until it's dark brown. I like it really, really brown, like almost burnt. So you can cook it to how you would like it. And then next, all you have to do is pour it into your soup. Hear that sizzle. That's what we call chunky. Give this a good mix. And now you'd want to taste and adjust your salt. And your soup is ready. You see how it is. It's nice and runny. It's not too thick. That's how you need it to be. So I like serving this with some mango amchar. It goes really great with it. That amchar really flavors the soup and adds more additional flavors to it. Very nice, spicy, mellow notes. So comment down below and let me know what you think. And a special thank you goes out to All From One Supplier. Do check out their online store where they ship throughout the US all of your Caribbean items. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
All From One Supplier is pleased to announce its online shipping for West Indian and American groceries. Order online at allfromonesupplier.com and with free shipping and deliveries to any part of the United States. Save time and energy to shop for all of your West Indian groceries from the safety of your home or office. We carry West Indian products like curry powders, meats and fish, dashing bush, pepper sauce, sodas, and your favorite snacks. All From One Supplier has it all. All From One Supplier fulfills and ships your order directly to you. So visit All From One Supplier today to start shopping, or call All From One Supplier at 718-551-3292 to handle all of your West Indian grocery needs. That's All From One Supplier, 718-551-3292. Free shipping, free deliveries, or curbside pickup from allfromonesupplier.com.